Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite products at the moment. So I have a very wide variety of products. So I have some makeup products, and then I have some clothing items, some jewelry, and then just like random miscellaneous products. And so if you guys are interested in all of my favorites, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with some of my makeup products first. And so the first product that I have is not a new product by any means, but I've recently just started getting into it, and that is the ColourPop Sweet Talk palette. This palette has been out for a while and I've always liked it, but I stopped wearing eyeshadow for a very long time, and now I'm starting to get into eyeshadow again. And so this is what the palette looks like. It's a very like warm toned palette and I really like it. Specifically, like these two shades right here, glittery shades over here, are like their pressed pigments, and so they are just like blinding when you put them on. They are just so nice, and so I definitely recommend this palette. I feel like this is like a staple piece from ColourPop now because it got very popular, but I would definitely recommend it, and it's an eyeshadow palette that I've been wearing a lot recently. And then the next products that I want to share with you guys is the Lineage sleeping mask. I have always been a fan of this, but I always hated bringing it out with me in public because it is one of those lip balms that you have to like dip your finger in and then like put it on your lips, versus just one that you can easily glide on from like the tube or whatever. But now I literally take this everywhere, and I'm pretty sure when I bought this it was in a holiday set, so it came with the full-size product, and then it also came with two minis, and the minis I always just like throw in my purse. They're so nice. I have one at my like makeup station, and then I also have one on my nightstand, and then I have one that just like goes in and out of my purses. It's literally the best chapstick, and it's very thick, but I think that's why it works so well, is because it's just like a very thick consistency, but it's not like an annoying like thickness. I don't know, I just personally really like it. I think it works so well, and especially now that wintertime is coming up, I think this is going to be like a necessity that everyone needs, and I feel like this is pretty popular, but if you have not tried it out yet, definitely recommend it. Next makeup product is the Glossier Cloud Paint. This is another product that is super popular, but I feel like for a while I just never got around to purchasing it because I always just purchase all of my makeup from whether it's like the drugstore, so I'll go to like Target, or I'll just place a big order on Sephora, but I'm not actively going onto other makeup sites where Glossier is only sold at like glossier.com. And so I feel like if it was like at Sephora or something, I feel like I would have tried this earlier, but I recently placed an order on Glossier and I absolutely love this. And so I got the shade Puff, I believe. Yeah, so I got the shade Puff, and these are so pigmented. You definitely do not need a lot of product, and I just think cream and like liquid products just look so much more natural, and so I've been really into them, and so I definitely recommend it. I feel like it's such a good like staple blush to have in your makeup collection, and so I really like it. And then the next makeup product is a mascara, and this is again a product that has been on the market a while. I feel like for me, I kind of go back and forth with the mascaras that I buy. I just kind of buy whatever like I see at the store. It's never like anything specific, but I have bought this one I think 3 times now in a row, which I feel like says a lot because like I said, I'll go back and forth with mascaras, but this one is so good. So this is from L'Oreal, and this is their Voluminous Lash Paradise. I just feel like it makes your lashes look so long and they don't look spidery. They just look so good. I need to get a new bottle of this because I have it on my lashes today, but I've had this specific mascara for a while, and so it's just not as good anymore because I've used up a lot of it, and so I need to go to Target and get another one. But I just feel like it makes my lashes look amazing, and I feel like I haven't had a good mascara that does this in a while, and so I definitely recommend it. And it is drugstore, so it's very inexpensive. And then the last makeup item that I want to share with you guys is a cleanser, and so this is from the brand Beauty Blender, and this is their liquid blender cleanser. And so I use this to wash my beauty sponge. Literally after every single use, I wash my beauty sponge, and it looks as if it's brand new. And then I also use this to clean my makeup brushes, and I have never had my makeup brushes cleaner than I have when I use this. It is so good, and I feel like it lasts kind of like you can get a lot of use out of this like smaller bottle. I think It is just like so worth it. I think this mini bottle is like $15 or something like that, so it's not too bad. But like I said, it lasts you a very long time because I literally wash my beauty blender after every single use, and so I'm actively using this product like every single day or like whenever I do my makeup, and I just love it. It just makes everything look so much cleaner and it just works so good. So would definitely recommend it. The next item is some nail polish, and I absolutely love this. And so this is from the brand Essie, and this is their gel couture nail polish. I honestly feel like when I just do my nails with like regular nail polish, I feel like I can put it on and then like 5 minutes later it's like already chipped off, which is so annoying. And especially right now with COVID and everything, a lot of salons aren't open, or you just don't feel safe to go to a salon. And so I feel like I've been doing my nails at home since February, so it's been a while. But I really like this because it does not chip. It's thicker. It's like a gel, but it's not difficult to take off, because I know gel, when you get it done like at an actual nail salon, it's very hard to take off and it like ruins your nails. But this kind, it doesn't. And so I really like it. I have a red and pink shade, and so my pink shade is Gossamer, I think that's how you pronounce it. I have no idea. And then the red shade is Bubbles Only, and that's what I have on my nails right now. Absolutely love it, and you can pick this up at Target, so it's super affordable. The next item that I want to talk to you guys about is a candle, and I feel like a lot of these products, I'm so like late on the trend because these products have been out for so long, but I'm just now finally like getting around to trying them out. And so this is like the famous like Volcano Candle from Anthropology. I feel like so many people have been raving about this candle for so long, and then finally I got it actually for my birthday from my sister, so shout out to her for getting this to me for my birthday. But it just smells so good, and the packaging is super cute. And so I have the smaller one, but the candle goes up in size, and so I definitely want to get like the bigger one because the smell is just amazing and it's just like so cute. I always have it on my coffee table, and it just goes really well with my like aesthetic in my apartment. And so I personally really like it. If I can find the notes, I'll put it on the screen right here so you guys can know what it smells like, but would definitely recommend it. It smells so good. The next item that I want to talk about is how I curl my hair. And so I feel like I always liked my hair the way that I curled it, but I never like loved it. But now I like absolutely love the way that my hair is. I think I finally like got it down, and so I have been using a curling iron, which is unusual for me because normally I would just use a curling wand. And so this is from Conair, and this is their 1-inch curling iron, and I got mine from Target. I want to say it was like $20 or $22, so it's super affordable, and I have just been loving the way that my hair has come out with my curling iron. And so if you guys want to see like a video or like a segment in a vlog or something about how I curl it, I can definitely do that. Let me know down below if you want that, but I absolutely love this curling iron. It works so well. The next item that I want to talk about is a necklace, and I feel like this specific necklace has been super popular. And so it is your like birth year, and you just put it on a necklace. And so mine is 1998, and I actually got this from Amazon, and I want to say it was like $15 or something like that. It was super affordable, and I really like it. I feel like you can get these types of necklaces everywhere, whether it's Amazon or Etsy or somewhere else. They're super common, but I just think that they're so cute, and I love gold jewelry. I love layering it, and so I would definitely recommend checking out like Amazon or Etsy or something like that for it. And yeah, I don't know, I just think that they're super cute. And then lastly, I have a couple of clothing items, and so I want to actually start off with the shirt that I'm wearing, and I feel like that is just simple crop tops. And so this is a red one, and it's from SheIn, and I absolutely love it. I feel like solid crop tops you can literally find anywhere, whether it's like at Target or more higher end stores. I just feel like they're super popular, so like I said, I feel like you can find them anywhere, but I got mine specifically from SheIn, and I absolutely love it. It's so comfortable, and it's so easy to style with just like leggings, a sneaker, and then just like throw on some jewelry, and I think it's so cute. And so absolutely love this. And then also from SheIn, I bought these snakeskin boots, and I am in love with them. I wore them out the other day to a pumpkin patch, which was probably not the smartest idea, but I wanted it for the picture, if I'm being completely honest. But I've gotten a lot of compliments on these boots. Also a lot of compliments from like guys, which I thought was really funny because I feel like guys don't ever really like pay attention to like the clothes that girls wear, but a lot of guys have like, because I posted a photo and then also a story on Snapchat and on Instagram in these, and I had a lot of guys like swipe up and be like, I like your boots. And so I just thought it was funny because like I said, I feel like guys don't like pay attention to that. But yeah, so I really like them. They were super affordable, and I feel like, again, you can find these. I know Steve Madden has a similar pair, just other random shoe brands have these, and so yeah, I really like them. They're a little difficult to walk in just because they're like a higher heel, but that's just something because I'm not used to a super high heel, but I'm sure once I break them in, it'll be a lot easier to walk in. Also, I was walking in them at a pumpkin patch, so definitely not like the most level ground, but I really like those. And then the last item is a sweatshirt. It's also from Glossier, and it is just their Glossier pink hoodie. This is again an item that I've been wanting for so long, but I just never got around to purchasing it. But this sweater is like so comfortable. I just love the simplicity of it, how it literally just says Glossier on the front, and then on the back it just has a smiley face and then like a hand, but it's just so simple and it's so soft and so comfortable. And I got it in a size up, so it could be super oversized on me, and I absolutely love that look. And so yeah, I really like this sweatshirt. I feel like I'm gonna get so much use out of it now that it's like getting to be colder weather. But yeah, I absolutely love it. That is all of my current favorites. Let me know down below what some of your guys' current favorites are, or if you're going to try out any of these products. I'm definitely very interested to know, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to follow me on all my social medias. I will link them down below for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.